Hey, what are we doing?
Racing!
Are we playing race car?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We got a Tubsy.
I think you
That truck is sweet. Brum, 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 brum.
So we can get it
got
to hook on the
PFI in the
street.
house in spirit today.
Yeah. Woo, Brett and Jamie.
Got Scott up in the house today. Sarah's here. Felicia's here. Got the crazy horse. Got the goblin. Got the no fox given. Got the bug. Well, it's not a bug, but it is a Volkswagen. We're here at Renegade.
Two-step test.
you notice towards the end of this run, when I made my 2-3 shift, the car did not shift into third. As you can tell, it was on the rev limiter. So I figured I would probably just shift flared pretty bad, because we've been having a pretty bad issue with that in this car. So as I was driving back to the pits to go get my slip, and you can see I'm shifting it through the gears, and the car is now not shifting properly at all. I mean, it's all over the place. You got to shift it like pretty much to third to get to the second and everything. So, but to save time so you don't have to watch a bunch of boring video, we got to the pits, jacked it up, found that the lock nut had backed off on the shifter cable itself and was not allowing it to make the shifts properly. So we ended up fixing that and was able to go out and do another practice run for this small tire setup. And yeah, so Dustin's up next.
Small tire shootout's about ready to start. Got Keith running the Goblin. Got Dustin back here. There's Dustin waiting for his mate. He is not here. Or is it the invisible car? Alright, we'll let you know how these boys do.
just turned into some unexpected, unfortunate events here. Well, as I was staging the car in, of course this doesn't have trans brake, it's just foot braking. Got on the two-step, and I set the two-step, I guess, apparently a little too high, because it just started pushing through the brakes, creeping forward, and I ended up red lighting and losing out on second round. Oh well, better luck next time.
Left lane took the win.
That's it.
Nathan Collar out of Aberdeen, Washington is 73 240Z. That's a 2JZ engine in that car. Automax USA lane, Corey Thompson from Milwaukee, Oregon in that 67 Chevelle. 427 cubic inch Chevrolet. The win goes to Nathan Collar out of Aberdeen, Washington.
You know, you make an awfully lot of noise out here. Stupid wind.
Oh no. This is great.
All right, well, we came, we conquered. Me and Dustin made it on to round 2 and got knocked out, but that's okay. We had a blast.
Oh yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Awesome.
Chris got to make a couple passes in his car last night.
Met Captain Dick.
Yeah. Geez, sounds like thunder and lightning up in this guy. Well, huge thanks to Renegade Raceway.
Awesome, thank you.
I think I'm just going to end this video off here. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.